Dito na kami, mag-ano ng bus. Punta sa bus. Ayan ang bus namin. Ito ang bus namin. Ulit-ulitin mo lang. Mamaya pag nagtanong kung sino marunong magkanta ng Tagalog, ituturo kita. Kasi kakanta siya, tapos magre-request siya ng Tagalog songs. Ikaw naman. Ito okay, lost. On the way na kami. Anong oras? Alas 10? Eksaktong alas 10. Anong oras tayo makarating?
And today the program a little different. Maybe before you already joined the to Window of the World. Anybody join the two before Window of the World? Before?
Yeah.
Okay. How many members go to Yinxian Classes Village, Safari Park, Snow World before?
Yeah, me.
Some. Not so many.
Some.
Yes, we are.
Okay. So I think all of us is the first time to go to this new theme park. Not yet before.
Yes, not yet.
First time.
Yeah. This is I think the third time for my agent. Third time for my agent.
Third time.
So it's a little hard for us because today so many Hong Kong people maybe also will travel to there. So maybe later when we go inside the theme park, we will a little rush. See, we will do like that. We have some member is for water lifting, right? 7 member? No? And then?
Artista ka na.
Okay, so later if you go to water gifting, please remind me, show me your hand. I will write down your name because later when we go inside the theme park, we will separate. Okay, I will go with the Glasses Village, Buddha Hand, the area, and my college will go with you to the water gifting area. So we separate. And then for this new theme park, we go inside the bus when we get off. Okay, when we get off the area, we will take the shuttle bus. We will take the shuttle bus to some place, and then we walk, cross, go up there. We have some small part that have the escalator go up, and then we continue go up there to the waterfall area. After that, we continue go up there to the top. It's the Glasses area. Wow. Finish the Glasses area, then we go take the shuttle bus down. Okay. And then, because we are one group, and the theme park is quite big, and the shuttle bus, we have to be all together. So later, I will give you some free time to take some photos. But most of us, please follow me, follow Jenny and my friend. Okay, then we can enjoy. Because when we back, it will cost about 3 hours back to the immigration. So later we see. Okay. Maybe some of you already traveled our tour before, but still have to introduce some information about Shenzhen. Okay. By our left hand side, you can see the one. That side is Hong Kong. This morning when you cross the immigration, you will see the small river, right? You will see the small river between Shenzhen and Hong Kong. That's the Shenzhen River. Shenzhen. What's the meaning of Shenzhen? Shen means deep. Zhen means river. Shenzhen means deep river. Is that river? So you know the meaning?
Yeah.
Shenzhen. Deep river.
And in Shenzhen, how many places you know except Luohu? Any other downtown area?
Guangdong. Guangzhou.
Guangzhou.
Shenzhen.
Okay, just like that. Canton, Guangdong makes just like mother.
Wow.
Guangzhou, Shenzhen, Qingyuan. Later we will go to Qingyuan, right? And then Huizhou. All this one is the city, just like son and daughter. So Canton province is mother. Shenzhen, Guangzhou, yeah. And then in that Luohu district, we have another 2 downtown in Shenzhen. The second one, anybody know the second one? Except Luohu, any downtown in
Wala na. Wala na. Magkwento ka na lang.
Okay, look. Yeah. Dongguan also another city. Another city. Also another city. Yeah. Guangzhou also quite far from here. About 2 hours drive. Dongguan nearby, 1 hour. And then the second downtown in Shenzhen is Futian district. Futian.
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 Di ba yun yung pinakamataas na building dito? Yung ba yun?
Also the Shenzhen government office area.
118.
Mayroon din isa.
118 siya. Yung pinakamataas.
Nobody already told me.
Ayun ba yun?
Yeah, you're right. The tallest building in Shenzhen is
118
floor. Yeah, the tallest one. In mainland China is the second tall. The first tall in Shanghai. The second tall in Shenzhen is PAFC, Henan Financial Center. They have the bank. They have a lot of things, commercial office, tallest building, and so on. So PAFC, Henan, is a very, very big company in China. I have no idea whether in Hong Kong still have the Ping An Bank. No. Social insurance. They also have the social insurance. No?
No, di China.
Okay, forget it.
Shanghai, China.
And then the second downtown. Anybody use the phone with the China brand Huawei?
Yeah.
Anybody use the phone Huawei? No? Oppo? No? Xiaomi?
Xiaomi, yeah,
Why
Redmi.
Xiaomi that's so popular?
Yes.
Xiaomi. See. Okay. The Huawei headquarters in Shenzhen. And then also we have the Dajiang DJI John headquarters in Nanshan district, the high-tech area. Yeah. And then before COVID-19, when we go to Hong Kong shopping.
May duty free na ngayon. Dapat may damit siya.
Ito kayo magkano?
Yung cortina, isusot niya daw mamaya.
Ano lang yun? Ayan, tanggalin mo siya.
Tanggalin.
Gutom na kami.
Kain na siya. Gutom na sa biyahe. Nagutom ka at tatayo dun sa immigration. Ayun, baka magkano. Grabe ang tingnan mo. Grabe ang mga bata. Paano kaya yan nangyayari? Nilagyan nila ng net para hindi mag-landslide. Ang lalagay dito? Ayan na?
Balik na rin.
Nakikihatid na kami ng pagkain.
Kami ang mas tayo. Mas may tama.
Sige nga, ibigay piraso na.
Okay, first we will go the medium size. If you want to show me your
Grabe ang
hand.
ano. So, di na tayo magkakalans nito. Thank you. Nagbebenta na siya ng t-shirt.
Maaga masyado. Oh, sa inyo na yan. Ayaw na na.
Ayaw niya magkwento. Eh, kunin mo itong isa.
Huwag na. Nakakaya ko yun.
Bibigay na tayo. Basta kunin mo ito.
Ayaw ko. Ang hiya.
Ano?
Kaya mo dati lagi ilan.
Ah. Pwede naman natin yun, oh. Oh.
Saan ko nga ilalagay?
Hindi itong plastic bunetin mo. Para pares tayo may magtingang kamay.
Wala tayo. Kasi kanina pakita mo pa ka.
Para pares may magtingang kamay. Kainin ko lang yan. Kain tayo, guys. Palitaw.
Dami naman pati pagkain. Kakain ko lang tayo.
Sayang binayaran mo kung hindi ka kakain. Ilang oras ba hanggang doon?
Ate Nelma,
Ah,
next time lang daw tayo.
okay, okay. Iwanan natin Malu.
Hindi na ako kasama. Galing na ako doon.
Mahirap na tama to.
Bakit? Grabe siya. Pag may iba naman, sa ako sasama.
Don't drink too much. No toilet on the way. Okay. Okay.